that picture.
Number one.
Something to worry you.
Something to worry you. If you want my picking picture, I will give it to you.
Give me that to me. See?
That
is why you never give birth.
This is why you never baby. You will never give birth.
Victor, come here. Baba, me, man. Come here. Baba. You do this thing for me. Oh yeah.
Are you dumb? I said show this way. Carry camera out for me, John. Come nonsense dog. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. Go tell me.
Let them sit. It's not those like Brazil or Pampa. When everybody enter this house, they should see that
This place too empty now. She got a photo of party. I will let you go and bang. Up around bikini. If anybody see it's very, very fine. Eh? It's not better time they see young boy picture. Say now young man there inside this house. There is a wife in this house. Everybody should know that there is a wife. So this is the picture that's supposed to be there. Very demure, very mindful. So move video than you. Hope you are videoing this way. It's not that I'll come and collect that phone and not see that video. Koya check only ekpe. I will talk to you. Go do like say one day or your brain. Oh yeah, I'm checking here. Like that.
But what's the meaning of this thing you're doing? I saw it from my CCTV. And why did you throw away my picture?
Who are you asking? Is that not what?
Victor! Why did they video now? Give her that phone back.
Don't touch that boy.
Give her that phone back!
Don't even try. Don't even touch
I go worse. Give her that phone back.
Not touch.
Who sent you? Eh? Give her that phone. Give her that phone.
I can't leave the boy, but leave him alone. Leave him alone. Don't have my shit.
Mary.
I'm the one that asked him to video it.
Don't put my picture.
I will not
Victor,
back.
don't worry, this one is not all about social media right
What
now.
happened?
This one doesn't have to be online.
Victor,
Victor, off that life. Man, take that thing out right now.
Why did you
this
remove
one
the picture?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, Lord of Lemon and Mary, they use laugh, they catch me. Now Mary child. Mary don't start to deal with them, they never see anything. Now run, they come to Mary said this new woman where Lemon marry so, he said not go let them get peace. They go here and wait for your hand. So what did they do to Ryan? See do to them. Really, Lemon, you never that voice finish. You just go wake up one morning say you want marry. You know they listen to your senior brother, and that be your problem. If they listen to him, if you never made this mistake, it's supposed to be you first finish everything with Mary before you go even go ahead to marry another person. They use woman to do you something. Wait, be say today now this one, tomorrow now the other one. Take a easy Lemon. Your head, I feel say not correct. My people put the video make what I see, and Mary really deal with them. He deal with them not be small. They never say anything. This is just the beginning. Bye everybody. Bye.
My house. I come and put your picture.
You are standing there. She's destroying that picture.
Number
Something
one.
to worry you.
You are
Something
standing
to
there.
worry you.
If you want my picking picture, I will give it to you.
Give me that to me. See?
That
is why you never give birth.
This is why you never baby. You will never give birth.
Victor, come here. Baba, me, man. Come here. Baba. You do this thing for me. Oh yeah.
Are you dumb? I said show this way. Carry camera out for me, John. Come nonsense dog. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. Go tell me.
Let them sit. It's not those like Brazil or Pampa. When everybody enter this house, they should see that
This place too empty now. She got a photo of party. I will let you go and bang. Up around bikini. If anybody see it's very, very fine. Eh? It's not better time they see young boy picture. Say now young man there inside this house. There is a wife in this house. Everybody should know that there is a wife. So this is the picture that's supposed to be there. Very demure, very mindful. So move video than you. Hope you are videoing this way. It's not that I'll come and collect that phone and not see that video. Koya check only ekpe. I will talk to you. Go do like say one day or your brain. Oh yeah, I'm checking here. Like that.
But what's the meaning of this thing you're doing? I saw it from my CCTV. And why did you throw away my picture?
Who are you asking? Is that not what?
Victor! Why did they video now? Give her that phone back.
Don't touch that boy.
Give her that phone back!
Don't even try. Don't even touch
I go worse. Give her that phone back.
Not touch.
Who sent you? Eh? Give her that phone. Give her
I
that
can't leave the boy, but leave him alone. Leave him alone. Don't have my shit.
Mary.
I'm the one that asked him to video it.
Don't put my picture.
I will not
Victor! Don't worry, this one is not all about social media right
What
now.
happened?
This
Now,
one
why
doesn't
did
have to
you
be
remove-
online.
why did you
Victor of the life. Man, take that thing out right now.
Why did you
this
remove
one.
the picture?
Mary,
Okay, he has left you in the house.
Mary,
Everybody
take
knows
this
they are
thing
late.
out.
Why are you behaving like this? Can't you just stay quiet for this? Can't you just be in peace for once in this place?
are they up? They watch out.
Sorry for
Why did you
that.
bring this? And why did you throw away my picture?
You think say you get monopoly of madness or because they keep you quiet? Shege Bawere.
Mary, I'm talking to you for crying out loud. Why did you throw away my picture and why did you bring that thing?
Madam, there is no monopoly of
Don't worry.
madness.
Make she come
Make
back.
I tell you, there is no
that
monopoly
is so
of
funny.
madness. You cannot come to my house. You cannot come to my house. I come and put your picture.
You are standing there, she's destroying that picture.
Number one.
Something to worry you.
You are
Something to
standing
worry you.
number
Okay, why
one.
don't you be saying I'm so upset? Don't have you. Madam, what are you doing?
Number one,
Madam, what are you
I'm the
trying to
plan
do?
of this house.
What are you trying to do?
You will not misbehave there in my house. Come on.
No, that's not what I'm saying. Madam, if you don't
If you want my picking picture, I will
Madam,
give it to you.
give that to me.
Anyway, that your son is, if you feel it, by man.
Mary, we'll go. Don't worry, give her. Give her.
Baby,
She's
see
looking for
what
work.
you see.
Mary, that's my son's picture.
Which son's picture? Yeah.
Mary, bring that thing. Just bring
Baby,
it. I
see
don't want to
what
touch
she's
you.
doing.
That is my
See what
son's
she's
picture.
doing. See,
No, you never stay where I know you. For these few hours where I get to know you, Mary, man, I'll tell you the fact. You know, be wife material.
for your health.
This man here, this guy, a young guy, now you want make this guy get BP because now he be the first man for this life where marry more than one wife.
Skillful, wait.
Alex, wait,
No,
wait now. This guy, you know, say this guy almost slapped me. I didn't being Victor capture that part. If I they very happy. This guy almost slapped me now. I make him clear today, and I'll still make him clear to your face to face. Had it been your hands touched, I will beat you blue black.
Don't
And
worry.
if you talk past your mask for
I will beat you. I don't be amo. I know. I go do it. I swear to God, Skillful, you know, Skillful, sit down. I swear to God, I go scared you about to have spend. I will make sure you don't see daylight. What is your problem? Not be everybody that can do this kind of thing. You know what's going on? Wait, Alex, now, Alex, come on, sit down. Make I talk to this girl. Come on, my phone. Sit down. Alex, I respect you. I respect you. I beg. Alex, I beg. Let me talk to this girl.
If you respect me, I said
This guy just feel like saying she did on top of the world. Who do you think you are?
My husband's house.
Your husband's house.
You
How many
are.
months you get?
Keep on, you clean your mouth.
1
Don't
minute.
talk
You're not
again.
interested again. You
Don't
left the
talk
marriage.
again.
Wait.
You don't say your husband.
It's your husband. Your husband that you got.
You know
You
that
arrested
your
today.
husband.
Your husband when you arrested today.
Me, I'm not supposed to be ignorant. I'm not a mad dog like
Wait,
that.
hold on.
This young boy, now you want me to develop blood pressure at this age. At this age.
Sit down.
You know that
Person when you hear the police coming house today, won't go arrest. Now you
you're
can't
not
sit
your
down so.
husband.
Now you can't sit down so.
All I'm saying is,
Madam, leave.
Come and sit
Madam,
down.
leave.
You don't even have a
Go
ground.
to this.
Let she leave.
You don't have sweat. You got yourself for ground very well.
Sit down.
I don't know where you from take on me this kind of
I
person.
don't like this so.
Skillful,
If
sit
not
down.
because of I'm not even stand in front of this person,
See
they
what you
say
are
words.
doing to me.
Before they touch, they tell me, say, man, no allow come for me. Come for me, waiting.
Leave her.
You see everybody be this man, I go beat you. See, I'm telling you.
You see that
see,
big man, they talk like they whisper.
yes, I will beat you.
Oh, yeah,
You know the reason why I will beat you. You know the reason why I will beat you. You know the reason why I will beat you. Because you're not even up to my junior sister. You're not to my junior sister.
Sit down, sit
You may be
down.
like person wey dey deport.
Let
You
me
dey
mad.
do dey
I feel like person wey dey deport.
You dey mad.
I feel like person wey dey deport. Wait! I feel like person wey dey deport, Abi.
Step down.
I feel like person wey dey deport. Who mistake? When your hand, who mistake? When it's your hand touch me, and you see what I do to you. Who mistake? When it's your hand touch me, you see what I do to you.
You are bigger than this.
See everybody you insult. Sit down.
Mary, sit down now. I don't need to sit there for crying out loud. What is all this?
Mary,
You don't care. I don't blame her.
wait. Go sit down.
Because of this your character self to even deal with
Oh,
woman for house.